Good morning, happy Sunday. This is Daniel from BOSeTAMPER. So I print this new design I was making for Apple Massive, but now I make for Baseus Mini. So Baseus is slightly bigger, so I make this one. It's fit right there, and now I can charge it very conveniently, don't worry about off center that causes wireless weird problems. So it's like I just drop it there. So it's really nice. You can also flip it this way if you like. So either one. All right, so the file is available on my bio, so you can download it right there. All right, thank you.